Dear all, python-json-logger vulnerability has been patched. A critical vulnerability has been identified in the python-json-logger library tracked as CVE 202527607 with a CVSS score of 8.8. The flaw allows the attacker to publish a package with an existing name containing harmful code on package managers. The issue occurred because of a dependency being removed from the project repository through commit 1CE81A3, leaving the attackers to publish malicious packages. It was identified. The package declared a dependency named msg-spec python 313 pre in its PyProject .toml file, which was not present on pypl and not registered by any entity. The vulnerability emerged because the msg-spec python 313 pre-dependency was deleted by its owner, leaving the name available for anyone to claim. So that when users install unregistered packages using command pip install python-json-logger dev, they would unwittingly download and execute the malicious package. Affected versions: Python versions 3.2.0 and 3.2.1. Mitigation Strategies. Update to the latest patched version Python 3.3.0.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.